we're going to get a little bit more complex. Be thinking of that. So you don't want to go down, 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 down. That would be wrong. Down, down, up, down, down. If you want good smooth strumming, see how if I do all downs, it sounds a little bit different. And as we get more and more complex, it's going to really start throwing you off. So you got to make sure you understand what we're doing. I'm never going to tell you to be up when you're in the cycle to be a down, or the opposite. It may be a little confusing at first, but pretty soon you'll realize that that's really the only way you could do it if you keep that cycle consistent. Okay? That's about strumming. Now let's talk about adding ties inside of our strumming chords. Okay? So just on a G chord, let's do exercise number 1. Okay? The first part of exercise number 1 is without the tie. And the second part, I threw in the tie. Your strumming pattern is going to change just slightly, but the up and down cycle of your hand is the same, whether I'm hitting the strings or not hitting the strings. Number 1, A, on a G chord. Down, down, up, down. Okay? One more time. Down, up, down. Now, even though it's just a half note, I want you to keep your hand going. Very important concept. Keep your hand going, or you're going to forever get turned around on where you need to be playing. The secret is, let me tell you the secret for somebody who's done it for years, keep your hand going, okay? Down, down, up, down. Now I know you're saying to yourself, why should I keep my hand going on just a half note? I'm going to get worn out. I'm going to die early, die young in my life because I'm wasting all of my energy doing this. No. You need to keep that because as we get more and more complex with our rhythms, if you don't keep that hand going, you're going to sound choppy and you're not going to be able to keep up. Okay? Now, 1B. I'm going to throw that tie in. We had been going down, down, up, down. Now I'm just going to take away one of those downs and see what happens. Down, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. You're ending your strum on an upbeat. Feels kind of funny. Okay? Let's try it one more time. Down, down, up. A little bit faster. There you go. May take a while for you to kind of get the concept of this. Down, up, down, up. Let's do number 2. The first part of it, A, without the tie. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Again. When I add the tie in, it then becomes down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Okay? Again, don't get confused. What's the rule? Keep your hand going. If your hand is always going, you'll end up being in the right part of the cycle to land on it. One more time, 2B. Down, down, up, down. I'll slow it down even a little bit more. Down, down, up. There's that silent down there. And then we come back into it. Great. Let's do number 3. Without the tie first. Ready? Go. Keep your hand going again. Okay? Now the B section. I'm going to throw that tie in. Down, up, keep your hand going. Down, up, keep your hand going. A little bit faster. A little bit faster, go. One more time, go. Very good. There you go. Great. Okay? Now I think we're ready for suspended chords. Okay? We're just going to cover 3 of them. This will be the last of our basic chords. You have covered probably close to 20 chords in this session and the past session. So we have crammed a lot of chords into you in a very short amount of time. It may take a while to kind of process all of those. The last 3 we're going to cover are suspended chords. Suspended chords is just a way of referring to they're going to take the 3rd note of the scale and suspend it up to the 4th. We'll learn a little bit more about the mechanics of that in a little bit, but just realize